By the way, for step 27, I actually placed my arm through here, which I don't recommend you do. It's just I easily reached around to access the bottom nuts and bolts. What I had used this angle screwdriver to reach on the other side to hold it, and then with my other hand I tightened up the nut. For this one I didn't, I just reach over. For that side I did the same, but this time I used my left hand to reach around and to hold it in place while I tightened the nut on this side with the pair of pliers, and I held the screw on the other side in place with this angle screwdriver. And by the way, I've been using a step stool just to reach over. I'm not a very tall person. I'm 68 inches. That's 5 feet 8 inches. But if you were taller than that, I think this would be a much easier job for you. And you definitely can have someone assist you